Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. This is our third video of the four-part I-12 2020 series. We begin in the city of Hammond, Louisiana, just a few miles before the halfway point of the interstate. I mentioned in an earlier video that I-12 is an anomaly in the interstate highway system. First, I-12 is actually intrastate, being that it exists entirely within the state of Louisiana. This is one of 16 two-digit interstate highways that doesn't cross the state line. Other options would have been to run I-10 along this corridor and making I-10 out of Baton Rouge and through New Orleans a three-digit interstate. Or I-12 could have been the three-digit interstate. With New Orleans being an important port city, it's likely that not having a two-digit main line to the city would have been undesirable. For a few months during 2005, the I-10 Twin Spans Bridge across Lake Pontchartrain was completely closed. Part of the bridge was missing after Hurricane Katrina, and all of I-10 traffic was detoured along I-12 until they were able to patch up the bridge and reopen I-10. Just a reminder, if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and the bell beside it to be notified of when our new videos come out. And give us a thumbs up or hit the applause button if you enjoy our videos. We cross the Tanngipahoa River, and then we see exit 47, Louisiana 445, which leads to the unincorporated community of Robert. The community, which has 20 streets and one stoplight, was thrust into the international spotlight when the Deepwater Horizon Unified Command was established at the Shell Robert Training and Conference Center to coordinate response to the Deepwater Horizon oil spill in 2010. Walmart has a large distribution center on US Highway 190 in Robert. Yogi Bear's Jellystone Park, a resort campground, is located on LA 445. The Louisiana Renaissance Festival attracts thousands of tourists who pass through Robert annually in November en route to the festival grounds on the Tanngipahoa River. We enter St. Tammany Parish, which had an estimated population of 260,419 as of 2019. In 2010, St. Tammany was the fifth most populous parish in Louisiana. Exit 57, Louisiana Highway 1077, leads to the unincorporated community of Goodby to the north and the town of Madisonville to the south at the mouth of the Tchefuncte River on Lake Pontchartrain. Madisonville hosts the Lake Pontchartrain Basin Maritime Museum, which puts on the Wooden Boat Festival each fall. Exit 59 leads to the city of Covington to the north on Louisiana Highway 21. Covington had an estimated population of 10,564 as of 2019. The city limits come close to but don't quite touch I-12. If you look at our City Drives playlist, we took a driving tour of Covington in the summer of 2020. At exit 63, U.S. Highway 190 crosses I-12. Covington is to the north on U.S. 190, and Mandeville and the Lake Pontchartrain Causeway are to the south. We conclude our video here. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to help support our channel, please check out our merchandise at 504roadtrips.spreadshirt.com. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.